Good morning. This is Fearless, aka Doug, and this is a how-to video on how to repair the MTD Craftsman Yard Machines Cub Cadet Yard Vac bag. A lot of people may be coming into running into encounters where their bags are breaking, where the holder either is pulling off all the way or breaking, and then the bag can't hang properly anymore. So I just want to make a quick how-to video on how you can repair this bag for free or as little as $10 without having to buy another bag for anywhere between about $110 all the way up to $250 just for this silly bag. If your bag, if the plastic hanger let go and you're considering buying a new bag because of that, don't. Now obviously they don't sell that plastic hanger by itself, which is a shame and stupid. MTD, I don't know why they won't. Maybe they'll see this video and decide to start selling them, since this is going to override their stupid bags, having to buy new bags. But anyway, if your hanger broke off or ripped off completely, this is how you fix it without having to spend minimum $110 on a new bag. This piece right here is the piece that holds the shovel onto the snow blowers, the newer snow blowers that had the shovels on the front of the bucket. This is the piece that goes on that bucket, and then the shovel would go through here. You can get these at Home Depot for about $10.99 with the shovel. If you've already got one laying around like I did, you don't have to spend anything. You could even buy two of them, or if you have two of them, you could put one here and have it hang that way. But just even the one's good enough. So that's what you do. You get the snowblower shovel holder, right? And then what you do is you bring your bag up. You line up where this plastic piece is going to be on the bag. On the other end of this plastic piece are two nipples that go through into the snowblower bucket. You mark exactly where those nipples are going to go through the fabric. Then you take a sharp awl and poke the two holes into the fabric, right? So this way the nipples will go through. Then after you've done that, you can go to Home Depot. You get two large diameter washers with the same inner diameter holes as the nipples, so the washers will go on, okay? Then you take a nice small thin drill bit and you drill a hole through the nipple, one on each nipple, and you run a cotter pin through. So you put this on through the bag, you put the washers on, you had your holes drilled, and then you run your cotter pin through, and that'll hold the washers on so that this cannot pull back out. And then this is so strong it'll snap right onto the crossbar, this handlebar, holding the bag on. Done. Good as new. I'll show it from the inside so you'll get an idea exactly how I did it. But it's a very easy fix. Cost me nothing because I had a spare one and I had the hardware. But like I said, you can get that plastic piece for as little as $10.99 at Home Depot. Let me take the bag off. Hang on one second, I'll show you from the inside. And it's definitely strong enough to where when the bag fills up, it'll hold it onto there. Like I'll show you. See how right now it's hanging? This clips on really strong. So when the bag fills up with the leaves, you won't have to worry about the thing unsnapping. It won't. You got to use your hands to get this off of here. It holds strong. So let me pull that off. Bear with me 1 second. All right. Let me open the bag up and I'll show you exactly how I did it. Okay. Let me get into the light so you can see. Alright, down there, you see those two big fat washers? They go on the nipples. And you see the 2 cotter pins that went through the 2 holes I drilled that holds the washers on, so that cannot pull out of the bag. And this thing is strong enough to snap onto the crossbar, so as the bag fills up it will not fall off, and once the bag is full you can snap the bag off, empty the bag, snap the bag back on, and get back to work. That's saving you a lot of money. This way you don't have to buy a replacement bag. That's probably one of the most common things to fail on these bags. You know, other things you can do, if like you had a hole in the bag, you could sew it shut, get some fabric, sew it shut. If these were to come off, you can just buy a strap, sew it back on. These don't even really do anything, they just hold it to the side. So if that was the issue, that's the repair. I want to thank Henry from Mowers and Blowers for giving me the tip for using this piece. Now his idea was different. He still had a little bit of the plastic left, so he took this and took self-tapping screws and drilled this onto what was left of the plastic. Since mine was completely gone, that's how I did it, as I showed, and works like a charm. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. If this helps you, please like, comment, and definitely subscribe for more helpful videos and small engine repair and small engine videos. Thanks again, guys. Have a good day.